3, 2, 1, start. The measure before the House is intended to remove some grave deficiencies in our arrangements for the training of technical personnel. At any time, in any country, it would be a matter of very great importance that for the functioning of its industries, there should be technical personnel of satisfactory quality and in adequate numbers. For India, at this stage of her economic development, when the country is making the maximum effort for rapid industrialization with a view to achieving what we call self sustaining progress, there is nothing more important among the requisites for the success of our plans than this one factor of the availability of suitably trained personnel in sufficient numbers. This deficiency has persisted for some time. It has been brought to our notice by several committees that we should try to persuade the employers to make arrangements for the training of apprentices. The committee, of course, touched the question of institutional training also. Defects are to be removed in the case of both kinds of training, with institutional training and apprentice training. Regarding institutional training, in the course of past 10 years, we have succeeded in many adequate arrangements. We had the experience in the course of the 10th plan, and also, I should say, the second plan of shortage of technical personnel of various grades for certain industries. Therefore, we set up institutions and training centers in order to make up that deficiency, and now we are in a happier situation. In respect of many categories of trained personnel, we have now adequate arrangements for training. In the case of craftsmen, to whom this measure refers primarily, I may just give some recent figure. At the beginning of the 11th 5 year plan, we had facilities at the training centers of the Ministry of Employment and Labor for training only about 10,000 persons, and now at the end of the second 5 year plan, the figure has risen to 42,000. We have projected various steps which will enable us to make this figure up to 1 lakh at the end of 12th plan. Similarly, in the matter of technical education of higher grades also, the requisite facilities are being provided so that we do not anticipate any serious difficulty there. But obviously, training in institutions is incomplete without a certain period of what is called in plant instruction, which is very necessary. Stop. Thank you.